You want an avatar pedestal in your world? Easy. Just go to the VRChat examples folder, prefabs, and drag one in. You might want to rotate it and scale it down a bit. With it selected, under Blueprint ID, paste in a public avatar ID. To get the avatar IDs of your own avatars, go up to VRChat SDK, Show Control Panel, and click on the Content Manager tab, and copy and paste the ID of a public avatar you want on the pedestal. I can't use any of these avatars because they're 1, private, and 2, they specifically say on their product page not to make them public or to put them on public avatar pedestals. So check to make sure if you're allowed to put an avatar on a public pedestal first if you didn't make all the parts of it yourself. You can make a toggle for all of your avatar pedestals in the same way that I taught in my video on UI and mirrors. World portals work in a very similar way. The same folder, just drag in a VRC portal maker and under Room ID, paste in a World ID. You can get the IDs of your world under the Content Manager tab. Just copy it and paste it in. Unlike avatar pedestals, you can put private world IDs in here. Note that when you click W and this gizmo pops up, the blue arrow will determine where your portal is facing. That's it for this quick tutorial. Leave a like if it helped you out.